Well, hi, and welcome to the $1 Million Message. This is future executive senior sales director Jordan Eicher calling in with your Wednesday wisdom from Charlotte, North Carolina. And I'm going to be fast today because I know you have 10,000 things on your 6 most important things list, like I do. I am sure, but I know that you have stacked your appointment book this week with more appointments than you have ever had. You have made more attempts at selling your products than you have ever made. You have talked to more people. You have invited more guests. You have gone over, above, around, and through any obstacle of your thinking, any obstacle of your child care, any obstacle of your personal self-doubt, any obstacle in your driveway. You are working it. And I know that you're feeling the heat. I know that it is crunch time. I know that we have 4 days left before the fat lady sings, right? And so here we are. I want to give you just an added extra strategy on top of all your face-to-face selling, on top of all the messaging you're doing with your customers, on top of the events that you're hosting. I want to give you a little social media strategy, something to do every day on your social media accounts for the next 4 days until we'll say 5 days, including today, until we end our year on June 30th at midnight. So today, here's what I would do today if I were you. Today, I would reach back into my before and after photos, makeover pictures that I have done for the Foundation of You contest over the last few months. And I would highlight a woman out working, okay, a wow woman out working. I would post a couple pictures of my customers who have interesting careers and just highlight and spotlight your customer. Just say, this is her name. This is what she does for a living. This is a little bit about her family. And this is what I admire about Susan. And then you put a power statement about why you love your customer, Susan. And then you just give a little tag about what product she's wearing in her before and after makeover. Now, listen, if you haven't done any before and after makeovers yet, that's okay. You can still pick somebody from your customer base, even if it's your mom, that you admire, and highlight somebody. Draw attention to the fact that you lift up and encourage women with your Mary Kay business today. Make sure and tag your customer and any of her friends that are your customers in the post so that you can start attracting some women to you, and then be sure to list the prices for the products that you used on your customer, your wow spotlight woman. Make sure you list the prices and then put your personal website address, or say, contact me for details on how to order Susan's look, or get your own customized look today. And so put up a spotlight, because what you want to do is, like I said, draw attention today to the fact that what we do is inspire and uplift and encourage women. We are a business about women supporting women, and you can sell some products, feature your products as well, because there is hardly anything that sells products better or easier or more effectively than a good before and after. Wouldn't you agree? Okay, so that's what you're going to do today. Now, tomorrow, you're going to get on live on Facebook or live on Instagram and do a tutorial. Now, even if you have never done a tutorial before, it doesn't matter. A live video of a woman putting on her makeup, or even just doing her eyelashes or her eyebrows or just her lipstick, stops people in their tracks when they're scrolling, and people watch. And how do I know that? Well, there are endless statistics about how makeup tutorials are the hottest streaming video content on the web after horrible things that we should not mention. Seriously, people are watching live streaming makeup tutorials constantly. So even if you don't think you're good at it, or you don't like how you sound on camera, just try it once, because I promise you, people will stop and talk to you and comment, and you'll have the opportunity to sell whatever products that you show. So I think it's fun to just start with your skincare. Start and do your whole face live. You're going to be doing your face anyway tomorrow. Just put the camera on yourself and talk through it, and just say, I'm nervous. This is the first time I've ever done this. I feel silly. Just say whatever you're feeling, and then talk through what products you use and why you love them. And it is really as simple as that. And people will start asking you questions, and just read the comments and engage with your audience, and then share the tutorial when you're finished so that people can watch it throughout the day. And I promise you, you will get customer engagement and orders. So do a tutorial tomorrow, Thursday. Okay, Friday, do some fun facts about yourself. So post a great before and after picture of you and do some fun facts about you and maybe your family or your hobbies. And then post some fun facts after about yourself in the post. Post about fun facts about our business opportunity. Give the Mrs. CAB facts. Mrs. CAB stands for M, money, R, recognition, S, self-esteem or self-improvement. That's the Mrs. CAB is C, the car program. A, advance at your own pace, or you could even do tax advantages. And B is be your own boss, Mrs. CAB. So do some fun facts about yourself first for Friday introductions, and then facts about the Mary Kay business opportunity, and invite people to play a game and say, ask me any question about our business opportunity, and if you stump me, I'll give you a free product. And you can just give away a free eyeshadow or something if someone asks you a question that you can't answer. Because when you give people a little fun game to play, they will engage with you. Again, all of these things are just to get you engaging with more people in the hours when you might not be out hitting the streets and seeing people face to face. Okay, Saturday, you are going to do another tutorial because, again, it is the biggest way that you can grab people's attention and sell. And on this tutorial, I want you to feature different products than you did on Thursday. And, again, you're going to then just start really telling people, oh, my gosh, I'm in my final 48 hours. I have this huge goal that I'm working to reach. I'm trying to sell more this week than I've ever sold. Remember your wow list that I talked about last week, the things you're going to do to totally wow yourself? I hope you're still working on that. I hope you did it last week and took my challenge and broke your own belief barriers, and I hope you're trying it again this week. So Saturday, do another tutorial, because hopefully you don't have to go into work and you'll have a little more time. And then you're going to start talking about your goal and just saying every order counts, every order matters. Give yourself on Friday, Saturday, Sunday a challenge to sell 100 items. Tell your customers, I'm in a challenge to sell 100 items this weekend, so every little mascara counts, every little eye makeup remover, every eyeliner makes a difference. And Sunday, the exact same thing. Go live, do another tutorial about something different, and keep on with your 100 items challenge and just tell everybody today's the last day. And maybe you can say, if anybody helps me in my 100 items challenge, I'll write down every item that you buy gets you an entry in to win your order for free. And maybe you give one customer their order for free when your customers support you to sell 100 items over the weekend. All right, you guys, so these are just extra added strategy for social media on top of what you're already doing, what you already have been doing, what you know to do. And I'm here in your corner cheering you on for the best June finish you've ever had. And remember, you are the girl for the job. I'll talk to you again in the brand new Mary Kay New Year. Bye-bye.